Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Class 8, topic linear equation. Let us see the continuation of the 20th sum. Now let us see 21st sum. 5 into 1 minus z by 3 minus 3z minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So now we are going to take the LCM for 5 and 3. What is the LCM for 5 and 3? 15. Okay, 3 into 5 is 15. So we have to multiply this with the 5. Already 5 is there. 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 1 minus z minus, and what is here? We have 5 into 3 is 15. So we have to multiply this term with 3. So 3 into 3 is minus 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now 25 into 1, 25. 25 minus z minus 25 z. Minus 3 into 3 z minus 9 z. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. And this 15, division 15 becomes multiplication 15. So we will get 15 by 6. Okay. So I can cancel this using 3 table. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay. Now 25 plus 3, 28. 25 is it minus 9 is it? Both are having same symbol. So we have to add it to the same symbol. So minus 34 is it? Is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. I am going to take this 28 to that side. Minus 34 is it? Is equal to 5 by 2 minus 28. Okay. So minus 34 is it? Is equal to, when you take LCM for this, I will get is 5 minus 56 by 2. That is, I will get minus 34 is equal to minus 51 by 2. Okay. So I can write this z is equal to minus 51 by 2 into, because minus 34 is in division. When I bring this side, it is in multiplication. When I bring this side, it will become division, right? So minus 34. Okay. 17 3s are 51. 17 2s are 34. And minus minus get cancelled. So I will get 3 by 2 into 2, 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. Okay. Let us see the next sum. X plus 5 by 15 minus x minus 5 by 10 is equal to 1 plus 2x by 15. Let us take LCM for 15 and 10. What we will get? Listen, what you will get? 15 and 10 if you take LCM. 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Again 3 table, 3 1s are 2s are. Again 2 table, 1s are 1s are. So 5 into 3 into 2, 30. Okay. So the LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. So when I take that LCM is 30, 15 2s are only 30. So I have to multiply the numerator with 2. So 2 into x plus 5. This term when I move to this side, 10 into 3, 30. So I have to multiply this term with 3. So 3 into x minus 5 is equal to, and the common denominator is 15 is when I take LCM I will get 15. So 15 plus 2x. Okay. So now 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Now I can multiply 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 5, 10, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, and minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. Okay. And then I am taking this division 2 to that side, then it becomes multiplication 2. 15 2s are 30 plus 2 2s are 4x. Okay. Now 2x minus 3x I will get minus x, plus 10 plus 15 I will get plus 25 is equal to 30 plus 4x. I am going to bring all the x one side and numbers one side. So minus x minus 4x is equal to 30 minus 25. So I will get minus 5x is equal to plus 5. So x is equal to 5 by minus 5. So I will get x is equal to minus 1. Let us see the next question. 3x minus 4 by 6 minus 2x plus 3 by 8 is equal to 2x minus 7 by 24. When I take LCM for 6 and 8, I will get 24. 6 4s are 24. So I have to multiply the numerator with 4. So 4 into 3x minus 4 minus, and 8 3s are 24. So I have to multiply this numerator with 3. 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 7 by 24. I can cancel 24 and 24 here. Then what I'll get? 4 3s are 12x minus 16 minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 7. Okay. So 12x minus 6x I'll get 6x. Minus 16 minus 9 I'll get minus 25. 2x minus 7. Now I'm going to bring all the x one side and numbers one side. So 6x minus 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 25. What is 6x minus 2x? 4x. 25 minus 7. What I'll get? 18. So x is equal to 18 by 4. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. So x is equal to 9 by 2. Let us see the 24th sum now. X plus 0.5 plus 1 by 2 into 3x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into x plus 1. See, I am going to keep this as it is, and I am going to take LCM for this term. So what I will get? 9x minus 1 by 3. Okay, and when I multiply this, I will get x plus 1 by 3. And this you see. So I am going to keep this as it is again, and this 2 3s are 6. So when I multiply, I will get 9x minus 1 by 6 is equal to x plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now I am going to take LCM for this. So what I will get? So when I take LCM, I will get 6. So it will become 6x plus 0.5 into 6, 30. So 3.0. So I can write 3. Okay. And this I can write as it is. 9x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Okay, 6x plus 9x I will get 15x. Then 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, and this division 2 becomes multiplication 2. So 2x plus 2. And then I will get 15x plus 2x becomes minus 2x. And this 2 I can keep as it is. And this 2 becomes minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 15 minus 2x is 13x. Then x is equal to 0 by 13 is 0. So the value of x is 0. Now listen to the 25th sum. Okay. I have to cross multiply this. Yes. So what I will get? 5 into 9x minus 5 is equal to 7 into 6x plus 2. So what I will get? 45x minus 25, 42x plus 14. So I am going to bring all the x one side. So what I will get? 45x minus 42x is equal to 14 plus 25. So 45x minus 42x I will get 3x. This I will get 39. So x is equal to 39 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 13s are. Okay. So x is equal to 13. Now let us see 26th sum. Okay. Again I am going to cross multiply this place. So I will get 7 into 7x minus 10 is equal to 5 into 8x minus 5. Okay. So 7 into 7x, 49x minus 10 into 7 minus 70. 5 8s are 40x and minus 25. I'm going to bring all the x one side and numbers one side. So I'll get 49x minus 40x is equal to minus 25 plus 70. Okay. So what I'll get? 49x minus 40x, I'll get 9x. What is 70 minus 25? 45. Okay. X is equal to 45 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 5s are 45. The value of x is 5. Let us see the 27th sum now. 2x minus 7 by x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. I am going to cross multiply. Now I will get 4 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 3 into x plus 4. Okay. 4 into 2x, 8x. 4 into minus 7, minus 28. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 4, 12. So I am going to bring all the x one side. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 12 plus 28. So I'll get 5x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So the value of x is 8. Now let us see the 28th sum. 3m plus 4 by 2 minus 6m is equal to minus 2 by 5. Same like that. When I cross multiply, I will get 5 into 3m plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6m. Okay. 5 3s are 15m. 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 6m plus 12m. Let us bring all the m on side. 15m minus 12m is equal to minus 4 minus 20. 15m minus 12m I will get 3m is equal to minus 24. So m is equal to minus 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. So I will get m is equal to minus 8. Let us see this sum. Okay. I am going to cross multiply. So what I will get? 2n minus 3 into 3n plus 1. Same like that, 3n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n minus 1. Okay. When I multiply, I will get 6n square. 2n into 3n, 6n square. 1 into 2n, 2n. Minus 3 into 3n, minus 9n. Minus 3 into 1, I will get minus 3. 3n into 2n, 6n square. Minus 1 into 3n, minus 3n. Minus 1 into 2n, minus 2n. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Okay. Now I can cancel this 6n square and this 6n square. I'll get 2n minus 9n minus 7n minus 3 is equal to 3n minus 2n minus 3n minus 2n. I'll get minus 5n plus 1. Okay. Let us bring all the n one side. Minus 7n plus 5n is equal to 1 plus 3. So I'll get minus 2n is equal to 4. So what I'll get? N is equal to 4 by minus 2. So I'll get 2 1s are 2 2s are. So n is equal to minus 2. Do you understand, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.